Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Yaris door panel. First, gather your essential tools. You'll definitely need a plastic trim removal tool to prevent damage, and a Phillips head screwdriver is crucial for various fasteners. It's also a good idea to have a small container nearby to keep all your screws and clips organized, preventing them from getting lost during the process. This preparation makes the entire removal much smoother. Next, let's start detaching the door's components. Begin by carefully prying up the window switch panel, usually located on the armrest, using your trim tool. Once it's loose, gently disconnect any electrical connectors underneath by pressing their release tabs. Then, look for and remove any visible Phillips head screws, often found behind the door handle or under small covers. Take your time with these steps to avoid breaking any plastic tabs or wires. Now, it's time to release the main door panel. Starting from the bottom or sides, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry the panel away from the door frame. You'll hear the retaining clips pop out as you go. Once all clips are disengaged, lift the entire door panel upwards to unhook it from the top edge of the door. Finally, disconnect any remaining cables, such as those for the door handle or lock, by unhooking them from their respective mechanisms. To reinstall, reverse the steps. First, reconnect any cables for the door handle and lock. Then, align the top edge of the door panel with the window channel and gently lower it into place. Once aligned, firmly press around the edges to snap all the retaining clips back into their holes. Reattach all electrical connectors and secure every screw you removed. Double-check that everything is snug and functional. For more great deals and the link to Little Tree's Black Ice, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.